Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to add the flip zoom effect onto your CapCut clips. So initially, what you're going to want to do is go to Media, click and drag your clip down to the timeline. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, and go down to Opening and Closing. Now we're going to find the zoom effect on the right corner and then click, drag it down. And we have two options here. We can either drop it down into the clip itself, or we can drop it above the clip. I like dropping it above the clip because it gives you more options. So now we're going to click and drag each end for it to fit the entirety of the clip. And we can actually press play, but before that, we're going to go to the special effects setting and we can mess around with the blur, strength, glow, sharpen, size, and speed. And you guys can play around and see what fits your needs. So let's take a look. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a blessed day.